Hello and welcome to the Reiki Gem Wellness channel. Today we're going to be doing a guided meditation designed specifically to work with our root chakra energy. For those who are new to the channel, my name is Shannon and I'm a certified Reiki master and teacher and a certified gemologist. And I combine those skills and passions to provide you with the knowledge, tools, and opportunities to practice incorporating crystal healing into your everyday life. And guided meditations are a wonderful opportunity to start working with crystal energy and seeing how it can support you in your everyday practical life situations. And today we're going to be working with the root chakra and the crystals and gemstones that support root chakra health. So this is an extensive video series. There's 20 videos in this series, and this is the 5th one. So if you would like to start at the beginning and work your way all the way through all the chakras, starting with an intro to chakra healing and crystals, then I'll link the full playlist up above so you can bookmark that and follow along. But you can just start with this meditation and see how you feel. There is an associated Facebook group associated with this video series, and I'll put that link in the description below, and feel free to join, ask questions, share your experiences, and talk with other people who are watching these videos. Now, that's not time bound. You can join at any time, even if you're watching this video a year from now. You can always ask questions and share your experience. So what you'll need for this meditation, I recommend 3 things. The first is a journal. And make sure to keep that by you so you can jot down anything that stood out to you during this guided meditation. And that's looking for anything that feels really familiar, really stands out to you, really triggers you, any physical sensations in your body that stand out, anything that still stays with you at the end of the meditation. Make sure to write that down in your journal, and that will help give you a guide to the crystals and gemstones that help you and to your work through all of the chakras. Next, if you have one of the black or dark red gemstones that I talked about in the foot chakras and crystal healing video, I meant the root chakra and crystal healing video, then I'll link that above as well, and you can refer to that video for the selection of crystals that you can use. But it's generally the black gemstones and dark red gemstones. And today I'm going to be sitting with onyx during this meditation. Now, you don't need a gemstone to benefit from this meditation. Sit through the meditation, and if anything really calls to you or triggers you, then that's a sign that maybe you should get one of the stones and work with it some more. Then the final thing you'll need before we start the meditation is a comfortable seat. Now, since the root chakra is associated with the lower part of the body from your sitting bones all the way down, I do recommend sitting as close to the floor or the ground as possible, like on a cushion on the floor or directly on the ground outside, because then you'll get as much contact with your root chakra area to the ground as possible. So, once you've got your journal and your gemstone and your comfortable seat, then let's begin. And I invite you to close your eyes and start taking some slow, deep breaths. And just notice how it feels to breathe right now. Do your lungs feel open and expansive or tight and constricted? Or something else? And notice how your body is feeling right now. Are there any physical sensations that stand out to you? And how are your emotions and your mind doing right now? What's going on? And we're not trying to fix or change anything or make it some perfect way. We're just looking and observing what's going on for you right now. And if you have your root chakra gemstone, then pick that up and put that in your non-dominant hand. This is your receiving hand and will receive the energies of the gemstone during this root chakra meditation. Take a moment to feel it in your hand, feel its weight, its texture. And we'll sit for a minute and just hold the stone. And bring your awareness to those parts of your body that connect with the cushion or the floor or the ground beneath you. Your sitting bones, your tailbone, your thighs, your calves, your feet. And notice how the connection to the ground feels right now. Does it feel solid and stable and supportive? Or do you feel a little disconnected from it right now? This is the realm of the root chakra. It's a source of deep grounding and connection with the earth. During this meditation, remember that you're sitting on top of the entire earth. And this whole planet is supporting you. You have access to all of its energy. And it will assist you during this meditation today. And imagine a swirling energy in your sitting area region. Like there's a clock right at your sitting bones. Imagine the energy swirling in a clockwise direction. Clockwise. This is getting the energy of this chakra flowing and moving. And as you imagine it, notice just in your mind, without overthinking it, how much energy does there seem to be flowing? A lot, a little, fast, slow? And imagine bright white energy just coming up from the ground and feeding into this swirling energy. And as you sit with this energy, consider the following scenarios that are related and supported by the root chakra. Do you feel safe and secure in your life right now? Or do you fear for your safety and your well-being? And how is your energy? Do you feel weighed down, lethargic, and overwhelmed on a regular basis? Are you able to trust others? Can you willingly give your trust in others? Or do you feel like you trust people too easily? Do you feel like your level of trust is balanced? How is trust in your life? Do you feel a sense of lack in your life? Do you feel like you have enough to survive? Or do you constantly worry about paying bills or for food or for your house or apartment? Does that weigh on you, or do you feel secure there? Do you have a tendency to collect food or possessions well beyond what you need? Do you feel like you're satisfied with what you have, or do you feel like you need more and more? And then bring your awareness back to that energy swirling. And as you've considered these scenarios and held the gemstone, has anything changed with how you feel with the connection to the earth or the energy swirling at your root chakra? And then release all of the energy, the imagery, the situations you were thinking about, and just come back to your breathing. And when you feel ready, then open your eyes. Thank you so much for joining me during this meditation today. So if you're working your way through the series, then make sure to dig out your journal and to take notes on your experiences today. And based on those notes, then you can revisit the root chakras and crystal healing video to determine which gemstones may support your root chakra energy health. And don't forget to visit the Facebook group and ask any questions that you have or share your experiences. And note, if you're working through the series, that this chakra may feel perfectly fine, and that is wonderful. We don't all need to work on every single chakra, and we may feel solid, secure, and healthy and balanced in several of them, in most of them. And that is totally fine. And just take what notes that came up for you during this meditation and the root chakra video, and, maybe give it some love with this meditation. And then I'll see you in the next video with sacral chakra and crystal healing. And if you do feel like the root chakra is something that you'd like to work with more, then I do have a lot of root chakra jewelry and gemstones available in my online crystal healing store, and the link to that will be listed in the description below. So if you're new to the channel and you are interested in crystal healing, then I post several weekly videos about gemstones and how they can support you in your everyday life situations. So if you are interested, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any one. And again, the playlist for the whole chakra series is above, and I hope you join in, and I'll see you again next week. Thank you.